They won't skip the ads. They, like 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 Virgin doing. That is good one. Not like other blogger. You likes, you comment. No, I hate that. Then if you share, then you comment, then they give you, they give you a prize. Give a point. See, I cannot be just you give. If you want to give, you give. No need to say. Marami ka na, you have so many followers already, subscribed. No need to say. You, it's like you have to pay, like sharing, comment to have to give them money. That's not. I think for me, it's not the right things to do. If you want to give, you give. No need to say, "You please subscribe, share." Then if I saw you so many, then I give you like that. If I only have money, I no need to say share. Just say I don't share it.